Hello, welcome to Genius Kiddies channel, a channel where you will always get educative content for your children so that they can improve in their mathematical skill. I'm here today with another interesting topic called simple interest. Before I go into the lesson, let me remind you to subscribe. Please share, please like, so that others can benefit. So let's talk about simple interest. I would like to explain some terms to us so that we can understand when we start solving some examples. Now, simple interest is, I'm going to use this analogy. Let's say, for instance, I am about to start up a business and I've done all I needed to do. I discovered that I would need about £2,000 to start up the business, and I only have £1,000 with me. I needed more money to complete it so that I can do my business without financial trouble. So I go ahead to approach the bank. Now I will need £1,000 more so that I can have my startup capital. You see, the £2,000 I said will be called, under simple interest, be called my principal, the amount that I'm starting the business with. Then when I approach the bank, I'll tell the bank, please can you lend me £1,000? The bank will say no problem. We can lend you the £1,000. So this is our lending rates. This is how much we'll be giving it to you. This is the percent we'll be giving it to you. You can tell me that I will give you that £1,000 for 10%. It means I will be paying an extra amount. After paying my 1,000, I still will add another money as extra to the money that the bank lends me. That amount is called the interest. Then I will also be told this money will be given to you for a period. That period is called time. It's called what? Time. So it can be 2 years, it can be a year, it can be 3 years. It all depends on the terms and conditions the bank is giving to me. It's also applicable to anyone dropping money in a savings account. And that savings account, there will be interest that will be generated. So we always have principal, the bulk amount, then we also have the rates, the percentage, and we have the time, how long you will be having your repayment. So if that is settled, can we just go through what I have here? From the word simple interest, we just have a formula. Once you follow the formula, you are good to go. Now I have some example here. Let's get to it. Find the simple interest on £1,000 for 5 years at 3%. And this is it. I told you that we have what we call the principal, the bulk amount. We have the rates, always in percent. And then we have the time. The time can either be in month or year. So, what's the formula for simple interest? This is how to solve it. Simple interest. The formula is principal times rates, which is always in percent, times time. If you know percent very well, you will know that that will be in over 100. So my rate is always over 100. So if you apply this formula, you will always see it like this: principal times rate times time over 100. So we can solve this now. The principal in this case is 1,000. So we have 1,000 times time. The rate is 3%. That's 3 over 100. And for how long? 5 years. So What's our simple interest? We can solve this now. 0 is cancelling 0. 0 is cancelling 0. So we are left with 10 times 3, 30. 30 times 5, that's 150 pounds. 150 pounds. That is the simple interest of this money, which the bank eventually gave me the 1,000 pounds for 5 years and 3%. The interest I will be paying on it is 150 pounds. Now the second question, what is the simple interest on 8,000 pounds for 4 years at 2%? We are still doing the same thing that we did up there. That's number 2. The simple interest, still using the formula. We have the principal, in this case is 8,000. 8,000 times how many years? 4 years times 2%. 2% over 100. So everything is over 100. So let's 0 is cancelling 0. 0 is cancelling 0. So we have 80 times 4. That's 320 times 2. We have 0, 4, 6. So we have 640 pounds as the interest. Let's go to the very last question on the board. A little bit of difference in this. We've been finding the interest alone. We have not at any point in time tried to find out, at the end of the day, how much will I repay? That's what the third question is talking about. Find the amount to be repaid on 10,000 pounds for 4 years at 3% simple interest. The first thing is to find the simple interest. So let's find it. Simple interest, the same way we've been doing, 10,000 times 3% times 4 years. So this can still cancel this. This can cancel this. So we have 100 times 3, that's 300 times 4, that's 1,200 pounds. That is the interest. So I was given 10,000 and I'm to pay 1,200 pounds interest. How much will I return to the bank? I'll be returning the principal and I will also be returning the interest. So that is what it means when we are being asked how much is being repaid. How much will I repay? It means I'm going to be repaying my principal, which is repayment will now be the principal, 10,000 pounds, plus the interest. The interest at the end of the 4 years, the interest is 1,200 pounds. So I can add up 002. So it means when I return to the bank, I'll be paying back 11,200 pounds. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, subscribe so that others can benefit from this. Till I come your way again, keep watching, keep spreading the good news. Thank you.